Hello everybody, welcome back to another cooking video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make over medium eggs. My personal favorite way to cook them. Now, without further ado, let's go. First things first, you'll need the eggs. I recommend buying fresh, and I recommend the eggs are white shells. You're going to want a non-stick or cast iron skillet, that way you can flip the eggs nice and easily. When cooking, you want to go nice and low and slow. You're going to want to heat about half a tablespoon of butter, crack your egg in, with some salt and black pepper. You're going to cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are firm, but the yolk is still runny and liquidy. Then, flip and cook for 1 more minute until the yolk is just a little runny. And boom, just like that, you have a key element to every breakfast. I recommend serving alongside toast, hash browns, and bacon or sausage. A personal tip of mine is to dip your toast into the yolk of the egg. My personal rating for this dish, 3.5 out of 5 stars. I hope you enjoyed this dish, and remember, if you do, to like, comment, and subscribe to get more recipes from the Cook King. Without further ado, I'll see you in the next one.